Have you ever wondered if you were destined for something bigger? Maybe you were born to be rich. Today, we're diving deep into the universe of wealth and success as we explore the 10 eye-opening signs that might just prove you were born to be rich. 1. You're attractive. It may not be fair, but according to research conducted at the University of Texas in Austin, attractive people are likely to earn an average of 3% to 4% more than an average person. That may not sound like a fortune, but it could add up to $230,000 more over a lifetime for the typical good-looking person. Have you ever noticed that certain individuals have a magnetic charisma? It's not about having movie star looks, it's about having a presence that draws people in. 2. You have an action-oriented mindset. Are you the kind of person who sees an opportunity and then takes action to take advantage of it? If so, congratulations, because it's that kind of action-oriented mindset that can propel you to financial freedom. It's not just about having great ideas, it's about putting those ideas into action. Just like the CEO of Tesla and SpaceX, Elon Musk, known for his action-oriented mindset, Musk has consistently taken bold steps in the fields of electric vehicles, space exploration, and renewable energy. 3. You started making money at a young age. One of the most common traits that the wealthy have in common is that they began earning money at a young age. For example, a 12-year-old Mark Cuban sold trash bags door to door. Warren Buffett sold packets of gum to his neighbors when he was just 6 years old. Richard Branson bred and sold parakeets as pets at the age of 11. If you had this entrepreneurial spirit as a child, then that's a solid indicator that you've always been on the lookout for ways to make money. Starting to make money at a young age is a commendable endeavor that reflects initiative, creativity, and a proactive approach to financial independence. 4. You're focused more on earning than saving. It's no secret that the wealthy tend to be frugal with their money. While they excel at saving and spending wisely, they also know that one of the best ways to make more money is to invest some of what they earn. An earnings-focused mindset involves actively seeking ways to increase income, leveraging skills, and making strategic investments. By cultivating this mindset and taking purposeful actions to enhance earnings, individuals can accelerate their wealth-building journey and achieve financial success. 5. You are an open-minded person. You never know when an opportunity is going to present itself, and if you immediately shut down the thought of investing in said opportunity, then you could be losing out on making a fortune. That doesn't mean every idea is a winner. It's important to think critically and ask the right questions before making significant moves. That's why the wealthy tend to keep an open mind when it comes to new ideas. Nobel laureate Malala Yousafzai is an example of open-mindedness in the realm of activism. Despite facing adversity, she remains open to dialogue and understanding, advocating for education and women's rights with a perspective that transcends cultural boundaries. 6. You have a mentor. It's no secret that the people you associate with can affect how successful you'll be. Think about it. If you're spending the majority of your time with people who are negative or don't have the drive to succeed, in other words, if you want to be wealthy, start hanging out with successful persons. This won't just keep you motivated. You also may be able to find someone who is willing to become your mentor. If you don't personally know any millionaires, don't be afraid to reach out to them on social media or through an email to start building a rapport. 7. You're optimistic. People with the capacity to make millions don't often whine, complain, or point fingers when it comes to blame. Instead, they accept challenges and look for ways to conquer them. An optimistic person is solution-oriented. Instead of dwelling on problems, they actively seek solutions and opportunities for improvement. The founder of the Virgin Group, Richard Branson, is known for his optimistic and adventurous spirit. Throughout his entrepreneurial journey, Branson faced numerous challenges, including business failures and setbacks. But his optimism and belief in the potential for positive outcomes contributed to his ultimate success. Cultivating an optimistic attitude can lead to improved well-being, increased motivation, and a more positive impact on the journey toward achieving goals. 8. The visionary mind. A visionary mind is characterized by the ability to see beyond the present, imagine possibilities, and conceptualize a future that transcends current limitations. If you are with visionary mindset, then you possess a unique capacity to envision innovative solutions, anticipate trends, and set ambitious goals that inspire both themselves and others. Visionaries can balance idealistic visions with a pragmatic understanding of the challenges involved. A visionary mind is a powerful asset that drives innovation, shapes the future, and inspires others to reach new heights. Walt Disney was a visionary in the entertainment industry. His creative genius and forward-thinking approach revolutionized animation, theme parks, and storytelling, leaving a lasting impact on popular culture. 9. You possess a sense of urgency. Millionaires don't wait for the perfect time to invest or launch their business. Many of them realize that there's no better time than the present to start making money. Those with a sense of urgency constantly assess their tasks, identifying and focusing on high-priority items that align with their goals. Urgency-driven individuals seek ways to streamline processes, eliminate bottlenecks, and enhance efficiency to achieve better results. Bottom line is start working towards your goals right now. 10. You are a grateful person. Being a grateful person involves having a mindset of appreciation and acknowledgement for the positive aspects of life. Gratitude involves acknowledging the contributions of others, recognizing the kindness extended, and expressing gratitude for the support received. A grateful mindset often involves mindfulness, being present in the moment and appreciating the beauty and goodness in everyday experiences. Actor and former professional wrestler Dwayne Johnson frequently expresses gratitude for his success in the entertainment industry. He acknowledges the support of his fans, co-stars, and the opportunities that have come his way. So, are you having these signs? Let us know in the comment box. If you have, then congratulations, you are becoming the next millionaire. Hope you liked this video. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe to join the wealth building community. Let's achieve success together. From the bottom of our hearts, thank you for joining us today. See you in the next video. Until then, take care.